This is an A. A makes two different sounds. Sometimes it says ah, 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 like apple. Sometimes it says a, like ape. A says ah, ah, ah. Say ah, ah, ah. A is for animal. Say animal. A is for alligator. Say alligator. Sometimes A says a. Say a. A is for acorn. Say acorn. This is a B. B says b. Say b. B is for boy. Say boy. B is for bike. Say bike. B is for ball. Say ball. This is a C. C says k. Say k. C is for cake. Say cake. C is for cat. Say cat. C is for cookie. Say cookie. This is a D. D says da. Say da. D is for dog. Say dog. D is for duck. Say duck. D is for dinosaur. Say dinosaur. This is an E. E makes two different sounds. Sometimes it says eh, like egg. Sometimes it says e, like E, eagle. E says eh, eh, eh. Say eh, eh, eh. E is for elephant. Say elephant. E is for elevator. Say elevator. Sometimes E says E, E, E. Say E, E, E. E is for eel. Say eel. This is an F. F says f, f, f. Say f, f, f. F is for fish. Say fish. F is for frog. Say frog. F is for flag. Say flag. This is a G. G says g, g, g. Say g, g, g. G is for goose. Say goose. G is for girl. Say girl. G is for glue. Say glue. This is an H. H says ha, ha, ha. Say ha, ha, ha. H is for horse. Say horse. H is for head. Say head. H is for hat. Say hat.
Subscribe to our channel to stay updated on new videos. Find links to our apps in the comments below.